It's Simpol time and this is Chef Tato and today lulutuin ko ang aming Sunday favorite sa aming bahay. Kaya ano ito? Let's start cooking!
Simpol, simpol, luto na ha.
This recipe is part of the Simpol Cookbook series where we try to make cooking as simple as ABC. And this recipe, ang lulutuin natin ngayon, ang tawag namin sa aming bahay ay pochero, but better known as cocido. So ito, parang Spanish stew, made with beef shank. So meron ako ditong beef shank, bulalo, yan. And I will just put it into my pot. I'm using a Dutch oven, yan. Lalagay ko na rin yung aking meat. So ito siya, it's just a stew. Boiled lang siya. And we will also add 2 pieces of chorizo Bilbao. Yan. And a whole onion which I cut into pieces. So ito, very important lang, we take our time to let it simmer slowly para lumambot yung ating beef and maging malasa yung ating broth. Kami sa amin, we used to cook this over uling kasi slow cooking siya. Kaya wait tayo ng konti. Pag malambot to, we will go to the next steps. I've been boiling this for over 2 hours na. Look at that, ha? Malambot na yung ating beef and look at the color, very rich color. And nagkaroon siya ng orange tint because of the chorizo de Bilbao. And we haven't seasoned this at all, no? Ang objective lang natin dito is to create the soup stock and to tenderize the beef. And now, I will add my other ingredients. We have corn. Oh, masarap yung corn, di ba? We will add potatoes. Pero sa amin, we use a mix of potatoes and kamote. Very classic. Saging saba, no? Yan, saging saba. Dato puti patis, yan, morely namnam, and black pepper, whole peppercorns. Yan. And I will cover my pot again. Kami, we usually serve this with 2 types of sausawan. The first sausawan is patis and calamansi, very classic. Ang pangalawa is the eggplant dip, no? I have my grilled eggplants. Ito, chop ng maliit. Yan. Put into my bowl. Yan. And I will add my onions, minced onions. And garlic. This is around 1 tablespoon of garlic. Around 2 cloves, 2 to 3 cloves. Mix that, of course. Mash, mash, mash. We have to do this ahead of time kasi we don't want the raw flavor of garlic na sobrang strong, no? So, what it does, when we season it with salt, magmemelo dyan, maluluto siya sa asin at saka sa ating suka. And we add our dato puti suka. And we add 4 tablespoons of our vinegar. And we let that rest kasi as you let the onions and the garlic rest, lalambot siya, no? Maluluto siya sa asin at saka sa suka. So, ito na yung ating sausawan. Of course, so let's just check on our potatoes and our corn. Yeah, it's almost done. Add our garbanzos. Yan. We will add our sitaw or Baguio beans, whichever you have. And we just arrange our vegetables on top. Ito, leafy vegetables. It will just wilt. You don't have to worry. Kahit medyo puno siya, tingnan, hindi siya magko-consume ng maraming space when it cooks down. Yeah. Put our pechay. Sobrang dami, sobrang dami. And we cover our pot again and let it simmer until our vegetables are cooked. So what we do when we serve this at home, hinihiwalay namin yung meat, hinihiwalay namin yung vegetables, hinihiwalay namin yung soup. So just in case may leftover, hindi mo na ibabalik yung vegetable kasi yun ang nagpapapanis sa ating cocido or pochero, no? We will just keep the soup and the meat and cook it again with tomato sauce and we will add a new batch of vegetables. And I think my cocido is done. Look at that. Everything is cooked. Here it is, our version of cocido or pochero sa amin. Kaya tandaan nyo, kahit sino kaya magluto, basta simple! Mga ka-simple, remember, loving is sharing. Kaya share this video and like nyo na rin. Kain muna ako. Bye!